Hi! So today we are going to talk about how you're going to submit your project to the UCF Amy Zay High Impact Practice Student Showcase. Let me show you what it's going to look like. So when you come to this URL, the URL is spelled out right here. You should also get a link to it through our website or directly through your application process. This is what the page will look like. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and then you'll select whichever showcase you're actually presenting in. So for whatever the semester is, we're going to do an example as if this student is submitting for the fall 2022 showcase. So you're going to come into the showcase page, whichever one that you're presenting in, and you're going to come to the side underneath Connect. It will say Submit Item. That's what you're going to click. If you have never used STARS before, you will have to create an account. It's highly recommended that you use your UCF email to create this account, but you'll have your own unique login. So it is not connected to your UCF single sign-on. You do have to create your own login here. And as you can see, I've done that in the past, so I'm going to simply click Log In. And if you're submitting a group project, you're only going to submit one of these for the entire project. So only one submission for each group project. I'm going to go through and put all of the information in here, and you'll see me in 1 second. So let's do some movie magic. Okay, so now that I have pre-filled this in for you, I'm going to walk you through all the different pieces that you're going to need to fill out. So first, you're going to have a title for your presentation, 15-word maximum. And then you're going to come down here and you're going to list every single person that attributed to this as an author. So anyone that in the group that worked on it, or if you did it by yourself, you're just going to input yourself. You're going to put the little plus sign here to add new people, and you can always go in and change things. One thing I definitely want to show you is that the institution will pre-populate for you. So you can start typing in University of Central, and then it will show Florida, and you can just click that to make sure it is correct. But you need the email address, the first name, if you want to include a middle, a last name, and if there's any suffix on the name, and then the institution, which is going to be UCF in your case. And that is how you put everyone's name in. This particular case, they're uploading a streaming file through YouTube. So this one is a YouTube link, and then I've selected down here what type of format it is, that it's YouTube. But you can directly upload a file here as well if you choose to. YouTube is completely an easy way to do it. So, and remember that it does have to be accessible. So YouTube is a great way to get captions put onto the video that you upload. I'm going to type in the course name. So in this case, it's LDR under course code and 2002 for course number. The faculty instructor is actually, this was someone from my class, so my full name is on here, and then your instructor's email needs to be put in. If you have anything that you want to say about yourself, you want to put any introduction, you can do that here. It's not required. Then you're going to paste a description. This is like an abstract talking about your project. This is something that the judges will see, so I would recommend writing something great here. You're going to select the category that you're a part of. So how is your course designated? Select which designation your course falls under there. If you have any additional resources that you want to add in, you could do that here. This one also had, so you can add a link to a URL, to an image if you wanted to do that, or type in anything else. So here you're going to select the Creative Commons license that you'd like to use, and if you want more information on those, we have a little link here to help you understand. You're going to select the year that you're actually applying for here as well. So spring 2023 is this one. And then any keywords that you want to have, like what is your project about. One you might add on this one is community engagement. Anytime you add a new one, you're going to put this semicolon between them. In here is where you would upload a file. So I said I'm going to upload a file from my computer. I selected choose a file, and it's going to bring up right here for me to choose the file. And I highly recommend submitting the syllabus for your project. Oh, look, I lost it there. Submitting the syllabus, because part of what you are judged on is actually how this relates to your course. So if you have an online course or somewhere that your professor puts the syllabus online, you can just download that into a PDF and save it and upload that here. Something I highly recommend is uploading a cover image. So here we've selected a cover image to upload directly, or you could say I just want the first page of the PDF that I'm uploading to be that cover image. But if you have a poster that you're creating, that would be a good place to put that. This one, we had an image, so I uploaded that here. If you have any additional files that you would like to upload, like transcripts or other things, you would click this and put that there. So I'm going to press submit. It says please only click it once. And it may take a little while to process. So you can see here, it's processing, we're waiting, and we get our confirmation page. One of the great things about this is you actually can make other submissions. So if you're in multiple classes that are designated, you can make other submissions. You can also revise this submission. So you realize, oh my gosh, there's a typo in here, I want to go and change it. You can come back in here and click revise your submission. You can also manage the submissions. So if you have multiple, you can go in and do that. So you can see these all under your STARS account. You'll be able to come back and see that. So here you go. You can see everything, and it'll tell you if it's been published yet or not, because on the back end, we're actually going to go through and look at them and publish them all. But that's all you need to do to upload your information. So if you have questions, please reach out.